Hey folks, some Saturday mornings I just like to have scrambled eggs that are a lot more flavorful. And this dish is inspired by Indian street food and extremely flavorful scrambled eggs with red onion, lots of ginger, lots of fresh garlic. And just those three alone are really going to elevate these eggs. As you can see, I'm just kind of mincing all of these, and when we get to the tomatoes, I switch over to a serrated knife. We're going to put a pan over high heat with some oil, and I think for this recipe, this was about 5 eggs for 2 of us. Real hot oil. Start with that red onion until that softens a little. Add the ginger and garlic, and then the spices, turmeric and cumin. And I wait to put the salt and pepper in until the very end, just because sometimes the salt can turn the eggs and color them. Anyway, this comes together extremely fast. I like to put the tomatoes in close to last so they stay kind of intact and have that fresh texture and flavor. And last to go in is cilantro, which is really easy to chop up with scissors. It's a little loud, but it's very useful. And it comes together very, very fast. Finishing off with the black pepper and salt. And we're just going to plate this up, and this feeds about 2 people. And it's just a great, flavorful way to start your day, and also loaded with lots of vitamins and minerals. I hope you can give it a try.